Okay, hello everybody. This is my continuing series of robotic builds, classes, how-tos. Um, in this day and age of nobody being able to go anywhere and meet and have classes in person, everybody's starting to do its stuff online, so I'm experimenting with online classes, and this is my continued series of that exploration. So today, I'm still going to use the ROBOTIS Play 600 Pets Kit, and we're going to build the cricket, but instead of using this booklet to build the cricket, we're going to use the app. So this is for Androids and Apple. If you can see this is the R+M Design app, and it shows you how to build all different types of ROBOTIS kits. And as you can see, I've already selected the cricket, and make sure you press the right button. So there's the cricket. I know it's kind of hard to see because of the glare. Oop. And then pause it. So click on, oh wow, there we go. Let's try that again. You probably didn't see it when I did. Okay, so you press play, and then you hit the pause button, and then you'll just basically step through doing everything one thing at a time, and the app will show you where to put the rivets and everything. So I'll set this down in front of me. I've got all the parts laid out for the cricket in front of me right now, and the app actually has that too. So let's get back out. There's a little icon right here that tells you the parts you need. Total 68 parts, counting all the rivets, and everything's laid out right here. We go back to play, pause. Sorry about that. Okay, I got everything laid out. Now, let's clear a little bit of room. Here's the ROBOTIS CM20. The way batteries already installed. And just orient the brick correctly, like so. What that looks like. Then the first piece we're going to put in, it's this wide angle piece. Now there's a long side, and a short side. The long side is pointed outwards, and the short side is connected to the robot, to the brick. And we insert 2 rivets, white rivets, like so, and then connect it here, like that. So according to the app, I'm on step 9 of 170. So we're going to repeat for the other side. Again, short side connects to the CM20, and I get 2 rivets like before. And then I just connect them. Not too tough. Let me advance the app. So I've got the beginnings of the cricket here. Now I'm going to work on the next steps, which is connecting these pieces, similar to how I did the white pieces. I'm going to do with these black pieces. Now these pieces are going to go right here, and again, this is the short side, this is the long. Now I do a little cheat. According to the manual, you only put 1 rivet in, but see how I can turn like that? So to make your robot more sturdy, I would suggest putting in 2 like that. It's a lot better to walk and it doesn't fall apart as easy. Now we're going to, where's the wheels? Here's the wheel. We're going to take the wheel and put it on the side. Now remember, these are keyed, you can see. So you just kind of wiggle a little bit until you get it in there, and it pushes real easy. I've seen kids try to force that. You don't have to force it. Just kind of wiggle a little bit till you get it seated right, and then it just easily pushes in. We're not going to use the rubber tires for this robot. So now we're going to start putting together the legs on this side. Hopefully I can show this without getting all turned around here. So this is a leg piece, rivet, goes right in the middle. And that connects. You can go backwards and forwards on the app if you get confused where it's connected. So according to the app, it connects right there in that corner. Just double check. Yep, looks right. Now we connect the next leg piece. You're going to have a little bridge piece. Like I said, this is a little more complicated, so you just got to walk it through. Take your time. So right there, and a long gray piece here. Now the next step is going to be key, so watch what I'm doing. So we connect the gray rivet right there, and so we're going to pop in the yellow one up here on the top. Orient the wheel like so. We can see that. And then let me make sure I do this right. It's going to be inside, middle, like that. And the key is you want the gray rivet to be on top, like so. You'll see how this improves the walk greatly. We're going to put in the third leg. Again in the middle. Middle like that. Then we're going to take another one of these pieces. We'll do two for this one. And one on the end here. Then connect like so. And like I said, this is important. You want, when you do the other side, I'll show you, but you want actually you're not mirroring each other. This on the sides, you're kind of opposites. Okay, so now we're going to flip. Start working on the other side. I keep hitting the button. Start the playback. Very similar. Short. This is the long side, this is the short side. You want to do, like I said, I like 2 rivets. Like so. Then you put the wheel in, just wiggle a little bit and it should easily push in. So we're at step 58 now of 170 on the app. Leg piece. Like so. Next leg piece. This one's going to be a little bit different. The bridge piece. Okay. Hopefully we'll do this right. Yeah, I almost made a mistake there. And make sure I got it oriented correctly. This is where you get mixed up. So connect to the top part right here. And let's see if I did that right. I think I did. See how the gray rivet is on the bottom on this side instead of on the top? This is very important that you'll see here. Similar to the other side. Yellow. 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 3 yellows. Okay, so connect on the top here and on here. Okay. Okay. Bottom. I think I got everything right. I know it's kind of hard to see, but you want it on the bottom, on this side. We can even kind of test it out really fast because the hard part is done. The locomotion part, the moving part is done. Looks like we got it right this time. First time out of the box. Okay. That's the main body. Now we're going to build up the head and top of the body part. Oh, it's all right. Four up, 1 over. Same on the other side. 4 up, 1 in. Now, when you're building, you want it to overhang this direction. So it's not like this, it's like this actually. So overhanging a little bit. You just gotta line it up like that. I make that mistake every once in a while, but it's gonna have a little bit of overhang to it. The reason being is because this piece is going to lay right there. And then you're going to put a white piece. So 4 up. Now in like that. You can see that. You're going to lay that right on top. Oh, that's what this handy dandy thing is for. Gonna have a little overhang. Hope you saw that. I almost put it in wrong again. So that's why it's a little more complicated. You just gotta watch it, all the directions right. So you got a little overhang right here. And you're gonna repeat on the other side. Four up. That's why the cricket is a little harder to do than the other ones, because directions are a little more complicated and you can make small little errors while you're building. So that'll just pop in like that. So a little bit overhang here and here, and like over here too. So this part of the build is another little area that you can make small little mistakes in, but you can fix them. So the 7-piece. Three up. And one more here on the top. And it's going to just go right in here, like so. And then there's going to be a piece right here. You need 2 black rivets, one on each side, on each end. So we're just booking right along. So this is now step 125 on the app. Putting those 2 rivets in like so. Okay, now we're going to put the eyes. 2 white circles, 2 black rivets. Pretty much the hard part of this robot is now done. Excuse me. First you assemble the eyes, like so. We're going to put them in. Some kids put them up top or bottom. Doesn't matter that much. Like so. There's the eyes. So now we're on step 136. Assembling the horns. So we're going to need that piece. And then we're going to need this piece right here. It's just going to go right like that. And then we're going to need an orange rivet. I'm going to pop it in like so, and then you can got the little gears on it, so you can angle them any way you want. And 2 yellow pieces, 2 yellow rivets, like so. And it's going to go right there. We're going to repeat the process on the other side. that. And then we're going to put in the 2 yellow rivets. And it's going to go right here. And like I said, you can play around with your horns. Now we're basically pretty much done. So that was step 161 on the app. So the question you're going to have is, how can I turn the guy on and off when the start button's buried right here? Well, that's where you get a green rivet and put it right on top, so that way you can turn the cricket on and off. And that pretty much gets you all the way through the app. Cool. So we're done with the build. Now we're going to see how well the build happened. This is the cricket, so I'm going to turn it on here. Hopefully it'll be a good walk, like so. If not, it's probably because of the wheels. So let me show you if I can show you again. Okay. So they're not mirrored on each side. So you need to have this gray part, this yellow bridge part connected on top on one side, and on the bottom on the other side. That's where people get confused. A lot of times they'll end up getting them turned around. One's on top, both are on top, or both are on bottom. But if one's on top and the other's on bottom, then it can actually do a very good walk, like you just saw. Because as you can see, is one side is they're doing opposites of each other. One's down, one's up, one down, one's up, one down, one up. So they're doing opposites of each other. That's where people get messed up. That's where people assemble the cricket wrong. So just remember, one side is down, one side is up. That should solve the major problems I see most people having. So here we go. So this is the build for the ROBOTIS Play Pets Kit 600 cricket, cockroach cricket, whatever you want to call it. A little more complicated build. Maybe the hardest one of all 7 animals that you can build, but if you just follow the directions and watch what you're doing, you'll be able to get it to walk just like this. Alright, cool. So appreciate everybody watching. If you have any comments, suggestions, things I could do better, things I could do worse, if you're happy, that's awesome. So you can buy the ROBOTIS Play 600 kit through the robotis.us website, or go through Amazon Prime, and then you'll save on shipping and handling. Save yourself a little bit of money there. So cool. Thanks for everybody for watching. See you next time.